How to open Lloyds saving account. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in lloydsbank.com. Once you're inside the website, you have to search for savings account. Once done, you will see savings account option. Click onto it. At this page, scroll below. Let's go ahead and click on this saving accounts. Also make sure that you read all these conditions, and under explore our range of savings account, you will see various types of savings account. These are separated based on their interest, minimum deposit, withdrawals as well. On your left hand side, you will see various accounts name. Select the one that you would like. And here it is asking you to read the summary box before applying for a savings account. Make sure that you read all these boxes. And here, click on Open Now. Now before you start, you have to answer some questions. If you are already a Lloyds Bank customer, then you have to click on to Yes. If not, you can click on to No. And here you can click on to Apply Now. And just like so, now on this page, you have to enter your information. For instance, your first name, your middle name, date of birth, your gender, and your addresses. Once you do all that, click on to Continue. And likewise, follow the on-screen prompt in order to open an account. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.